Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with a Thursday morning video. Before I get in this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Really trying to get to 700 subs before the end of this month. So if you do that, it's much appreciated. Today I wanted to talk about a stock I've been talking about really the past 2-3 weeks, ever since the market's been correcting. Corsair Gaming, ticker is Crsr. This is my third biggest position. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I am a long-term investor, and this is my third biggest holding of 17 stocks. So this is one, I really keep an eye on. Any kind of dip or lowering in price, I really try taking advantage of it and jumping on it. So yesterday I bought this stock. I averaged cost down at $25.33. I added 10% to my position. So if I had $1,000, it's like me adding 100 basically, just to put that in perspective. I like telling people how heavy I went averaging cost down. This position is fully built out. I'm actually over where I want to technically be, because I don't like having more than 10-15% of my portfolio with a certain stock. I'm coming up on, I think I'm at 15% right now with this stock, so that's kind of the highest I want to be. However, if it continues to drop, I'll probably keep buying it, and I'll probably buy it more aggressively. So I'm willing to go over this, but my goal is really to keep it around 10. And then if something, keeps correcting down like we have been doing, I'm willing to go to 15. That's kind of how I like setting my portfolio up personally. The stock closed yesterday at $25.36. So we made 3 cents per share. So that's good, I guess. It's not, I kind of bought at a lower point during the day than where it closed. Cost base has finally broke $30. When I first started buying the stock, I was buying it like $35, $34. I finally got it into the 20s, which is really exciting. So it's $29.97. That's my cost base. So if you're new to this stock or wanting to go into it, this is, obviously buying right now is way below my cost base. So it's obviously a good buy. I mean, I wish I could, make my cost base this, but that would be an absurd amount of money to get there. What's my plan? My plan is obviously to keep buying. I will go to 20% of my portfolio if it continues to dip. For me to buy more, honestly, at this point, it would probably have to have a 24 in front of it, like $24 and something, for me to average cost down more. Pretty happy with my cost base at $29. I do think this stock in the future, just in the gaming industry, streaming industry, it's an industry that's going to keep growing. Corsair kills it. This stock will definitely be, a 50 to, I could see anywhere from a $50 to $80 per share company in the coming years, depending on how they execute, who they partner with, if they buy anyone out, or if they get bought out. So I'd rather them just keep buying people out, honestly, because they have a great management team and a great, company. I mean, their stuff's awesome. So that's my plan with that. That's what I did yesterday on it. Some big news that happened yesterday. The market opened up red. The S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ opened up all red, or the first 10 minutes it was red. It was correcting. It actually surprised me. I really thought the biggest pain was going to be Tuesday, and I was wrong. So I bought some stocks Tuesday, made a video on that. So basically, Congress made a deal, basically, an offer. And the deadline to extend the debt, the national debt, is now the end of November. We would have defaulted on our debt October 18th. So that's really coming around the corner. It's only 10 days away. So if they did budget reconciliation, they wouldn't have had enough time to get it passed through, most likely, because that usually takes 3 to 4 weeks. So this gives them a little bit more time to figure out how they're gonna do it and work it and, actually make it realistic for them. So that made the market instantly bounce green when that news came out, because I don't think people were expecting that. I mean, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting them, Congress to use budget reconciliation to get the deadline to raise the debt, basically. So another good thing that led to this is the infrastructure bill. I believe it's like $1.5 trillion. This basically will allow it to, pass and get some time, because there was some uncertainty. Well, if we didn't get the debt, then both these bills would, just basically not pass, and then you'd be back to square zero. It'd be a complete disaster. So that gives people faith that the infrastructure bill will get passed. The large infrastructure bill, the $3.5 trillion one, it's probably gonna they're probably gonna settle somewhere around 2 trillion to 2.2 trillion. So that's good. I mean, at least something gets passed. It's not what either party wants. The Republican Party wanted 1.5. The Democrat Party actually originally wanted like 6 trillion, and then they said they'd settle at 3.5, but it's going to go lower than that. But at least it's going to get done, which is good. We don't know what the details are exactly, black and white, what both these are yet. But long story short, because the debt got extended to the end of November, this brings hope and excitement to the market, because there's a little more clarity and not as much fear, because if they were just clashing button heads and nothing got done, it could have been really bad. So that's why the market rallied really heavy in the back half of yesterday. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Again, I'm trying to get to 700 subs. And actually, you know what? I might do something real quick. Let me just, where am I at here? Yeah, you know what? I'm only at 5 minutes. So let me just run through some things on my stock, just for the heck of it. All right, so the Dow finished at 0.29% up. NASDAQ finished at 0.4% up, and S&P finished at 0.4%. So it was a green day. It's great. My portfolio finished today at 0.97% up, so that's pretty good based on how I thought it was going to go. Some big movers today for me. Let's see. Coinbase had a nice move, a 4% move up. That's great. I should have been buying it at 225. I was really waiting for it to hit that resistance level and drop down before that. Crypto had a great day yesterday also. I think it went over 50,000. What else had a good day here? Nothing crazy. Smile Direct Club had a 15% move up today. That's crazy. That's a Wall Street bet stock. It has a lot of retail investors in that one, but I do like that business model long term. I think they're going to do big things. So that's a crazy move. And Voyager got smashed today. It went down 8%, which I don't really understand. I got to look into that, because crypto had a great day today. So I don't know why that stock fell. I need to look into that. It's at well past 6 months lows. So I got to figure out if I want to buy more or what I want to do with that one. But yeah, till tomorrow, that's all I got. That's kind of the big movers in my portfolio, at least. So that's it. Subscribe. Peace.